Currumbin. I have my acai bowl with my oat latte, and I'm currently enjoying the view. It's so pretty. Let me show you.
It's so comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you.
So literally 10 steps down the road is another cafe called Barefoot Currumbin. They have many locations around the Gold Coast, and I think I might just grab something small.
Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you.
Now I'm just gonna head to the pottery place to collect my pieces that I made a couple months ago.
I remember this one now because I couldn't find your plate and bowl.
Everything goes white. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. For your honey, sickly sweet, keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you. You show up at my door with some coffee and croissants. Went to my favorite store, cause you could tell it's what I want. I can't imagine more. It's been a dream and far beyond. Well, so then what am I so nervous for? Cause when it's good, just really good, then it should be too good. I know that there must be a catch, just waiting around for the record to scratch. But then you go again where you say I dream about you daily, and your face, it's a painting in the Louvre, baby. All your words like the screenplay in a movie storyline, but I get scared till I say yeah, definitely, baby.
The beef ravioli is from My Muscle Chef, and I have collaborated with My Muscle Chef for this portion of the video. My Muscle Chef has a range of 70+ high protein meals that are crafted by chefs and nutritionists. Their nourishing meals are tasty and freshly delivered to your door. My Muscle Chef has a range of soups, snacks, protein oats and yogurt, drinks, as well as a range of meals from different cuisines. They even have meal plans that are tailored towards achieving your goals, such as calorie control, muscle gain, weight loss, or you can even create your own. Let me show you what else I got. I got some crumb chicken peppercorn steak plus protein, so lasagna. I got some beef ravioli, naked beef fajitas, and also Mexican beef, Mongolian beef, massaman curry. I got Penang beef curry, Thai peanut chicken noodle stir fry, and also some Asian chicken stir fry. A whole range of flavors for protein oats, and also protein yogurt. So I got a whole bunch of protein plus meals because I wanted the flexibility to create my own meals. So for example, for the pulled pork meal, this serves 2 and has 49 grams of protein. I think that this would be super convenient and a great addition to a burrito bowl. Each month, My Muscle Chef does a new monthly drop. So for August, I got the Thai peanut chicken noodle stir fry as well as the Penang beef curry. My Muscle Chef has award-winning meals that are Australian made and dietitian approved. The best part for me is when I was making my order, it was so easy to see the breakdown of nutrition, ingredients, as well as the macronutrients for each meal. My Muscle Chef delivers all across Australia, across 4,500 suburbs, also has friendly customer service, open 7 days a week, and you can also contact them through their chat function on their app. You guys can use my code HeyMyMC20 to get $20 off your first order. So I actually bought this bag just last week and it arrived so quickly from France just 2 days ago. Oh, it's so cute. I cannot wait to use this. So I just got to Brisbane area. Right in front of me is Mountain River Patisserie and I've been wanting to come here for so long.
I'm alive with you by my side. Yeah, feeling so right with the love on a fine. Ride or die, running loyalty, you got in those veins. You been thinking about me 24/7, 365 every day.
I really like it. It's got like lots of chunky beef. Yes. It's so good.
How's everything going here?
Really good.
Good?
Like, I really like this.
Yeah, right?
She recommended it to me. I'm so glad.
Yeah.
Because I didn't know like what to order. I've never been here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Wagyu quiche is good.
Yeah.
One of my favorite one is truffle quiche as well.
Oh,
Truffle quiche.
truffle. Oh, I love truffle.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try the yuzu canal now. It's pretty good. So right across the road from Mountain River Patisserie is a place that I found here called Small Cake Place.
Stay high for a minute. Tongue tied, I don't wanna go home. You and I under linen. Bone die, but I'm really not bored. So used to chasing falling stars. Love's not supposed to be paper thin. So if I stay here, don't rip me apart. I'm already scared to begin with. Can't keep my heart in one piece. Can't keep my heart in one piece. Maybe you can show me. Sorry if I overthink situations with you and me. TBH, I need CBD. TBH, I don't wanna leave. Baby, you're the MVP. Look so fine in a white one piece. Dreaming you when I fall asleep. Dreaming you when I RIP. So used to chasing falling stars. Love's not supposed